Okay, so we're still talking about fractions, okay? But now we're going to be talking about fractions on a number line. Your learning target is to represent a fraction, A over B, on a number line. Okay, I'm going to show you something like this. Quick question here. How's this number line divided? Jack?
With one whole?
Yeah, wholes, right? Do we have any fractions on this yet?
No.
No. It says this number line shows whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, whole numbers. Not a fraction. So you won't see anything like this. Okay? So from here is how much? Yeah, one whole. And then from here to here is how much? 2 wholes. And then 3 wholes. So whatever I'm writing here should be doing what? Yes. Okay. The distance from each number to the next is just one whole. Okay. It says complete the number line by filling in the missing number, which we did already. But the bottom one is divided into what? Not wholes, but fractions. Okay? This whole thing right here is one whole. This whole thing right here is one whole, but we want to know what fractions are they. Okay, it says fractions are numbers that name parts of a whole. You can show fractions on a number line. Okay, on the number line below, the whole is between 0 and 1. And it is divided into equal parts. It says label the area model with the unit fractions it represents. So this is what they mean. Okay? This is what they mean. Okay? So it's divided into how many sections? 4. Okay? And the unit fraction for the first square is? 1 1/4. Yeah, okay. A unit fraction is always going to have 1 at the top. In this case, there are 4 sections and divided in fourths. So the unit fraction is here 1/4. Okay? So each one of these is 1/4. Okay? 1/4. But if I have this, how much is that?
1/2.
Okay, it's what again? Somebody said it.
1/2.
It's 1/2. Hold on. From here to here, somebody said it was 2/4, which is also equal to 1/2. Okay? But if they ask you how many fourths are shaded in, it's going to be 2/4. That's what we want. So again, whatever I'm writing, you're writing, right? So we kind of did this already. It says you can count fractions on a number line just like you count whole numbers. Okay? It says fill in the blanks to count the fourths below. So I start off with 1/4, then I have what? 2/4, then 3/4, then 4/4. Okay, so that's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay. Do you notice this fraction right here? 4/4. What does that equal? 1. Okay. So any number, if the denominator and the numerator are the same, 5/5, 6/6, 7/6. If the numerator is the same as the denominator, it's always going to equal 1. Just FYI. Says you can also use number lines to show fractions greater than 1. Huh. So let's see. So from 0 to here, I have how much? 1 what?
1/4.
1/4. So then what's next? Stop, just like I'm counting a whole number. 2/4, then
3/4.
3/4, then
4/4.
4/4, which is equal to 1, right? And what's after 4? 5/4. Yes, because look, I have 8/4 here. Then
6/4.
6/4, then
7/4.
7/4, and then 8/4 is equal to how much? 2. Sorry, I forgot to record that. So the unit fraction is just this, each box, okay, which is 1/3. But when you're labeling the number line, it's 0, 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. And 3/3 is equal to 1 whole. Okay, 1 whole.